Ready to turn your summer road trip into a first-class experience on wheels? These ultra-luxury must-haves are designed to bring maximum comfort, convenience, and style to every mile of your journey. From smart travel upgrades to premium in-car essentials, they make long drives feel effortless and enjoyable. Check the links in the description to grab yours. Camping just got a serious upgrade. Instead of sleeping on the ground, you set up right in the back of your pickup. This waterproof tent creates a cozy, dry space for 2 people, with double layers and a rainfly to keep the weather out. 3 windows give you fresh air and views, while the top hook holds a lantern at night. Quick to install, it turns your truck into a mobile campsite anywhere you go. Who says camping has to mean roughing it? This inflatable camp setup looks like a tiny modern home you can take anywhere. It opens wide on all sides for fresh air and views. With a top cover you can close when you want shade or privacy. Inside, there's even an inflatable mattress included, so you're ready to rest in comfort. Spacious, airy, and fun, it turns the outdoors into your living room. Turn night into day wherever you are. This telescoping LED skylight rises up to 12 feet and throws out 6,000 lumens, lighting up an area the size of a football field. Its adjustable panels let you spread the glow wide or focus it where you need it most. Perfect for camping, tailgates, or job sites. It even doubles as emergency backup lighting at home. Portable, durable, and water-resistant. It's ready for anything. Family hikes just got a whole lot easier. This baby carrier backpack lets you take your little one along safely and comfortably while keeping your hands free. A padded seat with safety straps and stirrups keeps your child snug while you stay supported with adjustable cushioned straps. There's even an insulated pocket for bottles and a foldable changing pad for those urgent moments. A sun and rain hood protects your child, so adventure never has to wait. Ever wish you had superhuman legs? This AI-powered exoskeleton gives your movements a serious boost. It recognizes your posture and times its support perfectly, so walking, climbing, or carrying feels effortless. With up to 11 miles of assistance on a single charge, you'll go farther with less fatigue. Lightweight aluminum keeps it durable, yet comfortable, while splash and dust resistance means you can use it almost anywhere. Why settle for a pool float when you can have your own floating island? This massive inflatable seats up to 6 people, making it the ultimate hangout on the water. A detachable sunshade keeps you cool, while a built-in cooler bag keeps drinks within reach. The sturdy vinyl design holds strong, and multiple air chambers keep it stable. Perfect for parties, lazy afternoons, or turning the lake into your private lounge. No trees? No problem. This portable hammock stand sets up in just seconds, so you can kick back anywhere, beach, backyard, or campsite. Its sturdy aluminum frame stays stable even on sand, grass, or rocky ground. You can switch between chair mode or full lounge mode, adjusting the canopy to follow the sun. And with a handy cup holder built in, your essentials are always within reach while you relax. Turn any hangout into an instant celebration. This clever outdoor table hides a spacious ice cooler beneath its lift-up top, keeping drinks chilled and within reach. It holds plenty of cans and bottles, staying cold for hours without melting the mood. The weather-resistant finish handles sun, rain, and everything in between. Portable, practical, and made for good times. It's the ultimate outdoor party essential. Cooking outdoors has never been this easy. This all-in-one camping cookware kit comes with a pot, pan, kettle, cups, plates, cutlery, and even cleaning tools, all packed neatly in one bag. Made from hard anodized aluminum, it heats quickly, spreads heat evenly, and resists scratches or corrosion. The heat-safe silicone handles keep your hands comfortable and secure while cooking. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for hiking, backpacking, or any outdoor adventure. Packing light just got smarter. This pocket-sized air pump is small enough to slip in your backpack, yet strong enough to inflate a float in seconds. It doesn't just fill things with air, it also works in reverse, sucking air out of storage bags to save space. Built-in light turns it into a handy lantern for camping nights, with an emergency SOS mode for safety. Rechargeable and ready anywhere, it's a true outdoor multitasker. Summer heat doesn't stand a chance with this all-in-one fan. Use it indoors as a sleek pedestal or tabletop fan, or take it outdoors where it's tough enough to handle the weather. Switch to cordless mode and enjoy up to 24 hours of cool airflow anywhere. Hook up the InstaCool misting attachment, and it instantly drops the temperature by several degrees. With 5 speeds, oscillation, and a remote, staying cool has never been easier. Kick back in classic style without worrying about the weather. This folding Adirondack chair combines a timeless wood-look design with durable, all-weather material that resists sun, snow, and wind. The oversized seat and cloud-shaped backrest make lounging comfortable, while wide armrests give you a place to rest drinks or books. When you're done, it folds flat for easy storage or moving around. Perfect for patios, gardens, or poolside, it's both practical and stylish. Never lose power when you need it most. This portable power station packs a massive energy capacity that can handle everything from phones to full-sized appliances. You can recharge it fast using solar panels or a standard wall outlet, keeping it ready for any situation. The companion app lets you track usage and control settings in real time. Safe, quiet, and easy to carry, it's your all-in-one backup for home, travel, or the great outdoors. Ready for a splash of fun? This inflatable pool float turns any pool day into an adventure. Kids can climb on, hold the sturdy handles, and pretend they're soaring across the water. It even comes with a built-in water blaster, so playtime gets a cool twist. Durable and easy to inflate, it's the perfect way to keep little ones entertained all summer long. Forget heavy wooden chairs. You can now relax anywhere on an inflatable one. This full-size seat feels just like a classic Adirondack, but packs down small enough to carry with one hand. You simply inflate it, and you've got armrests, a solid back, and cushioned comfort in minutes. Strong enough to handle plenty of weight, yet light enough for the beach, dock, or campsite. It's your portable lounge chair for any adventure. Parenting feels a lot easier when the stroller works with you. This seat rotates a full 360 degrees, so you can switch from parent-facing to forward-facing in seconds. 3 recline positions keep your baby comfortable whether they're napping or exploring. A swiveling support bar with a snack tray makes snack time simple on the go. Plush padding with a reversible insert, cool mesh on one side, soft fleece on the other, keeps your little one cozy in every season. This backpack doesn't just carry your stuff, it puts on a show. The hard shell design features a built-in LED screen where you can display text, pictures, or even animations through an app. It's roomy enough for a laptop, helmet, or all your daily gear, with multiple compartments to keep things organized. The waterproof shell keeps your valuables safe, while the padded straps make long rides comfortable. Waves, bumps, or sudden stops, your drink isn't going anywhere. This clever cup holder uses a micro suction base that locks onto smooth surfaces without glue or drilling. It grips tight so your cup, can, or bottle stays upright, even on boats or kayaks. The fit adjusts automatically for most drink sizes, and it's super easy to clean. Whether outdoors or at your desk, spills are finally off the menu. Light up your outdoor space effortlessly. This solar floor lamp turns sunlight into a soft, charming glow that lasts all night. Made with weather-resistant rattan and a sturdy steel frame, it stands up to rain, snow, and frost. No complicated setup, just place it in the sun and switch it on. Perfect for patios, gardens, or pathways. It adds style and cozy ambiance wherever you need it. Nights outdoors just got a serious upgrade. This 7-in-1 camping lantern isn't just a light, it's a fan, a Bluetooth speaker, an air pump, and even a power bank to charge your phone. You get both a wide floodlight to brighten your campsite and a focused spotlight for detail work. The rechargeable battery keeps it going for hours, and it's built tough enough to handle splashes. Take floating to a whole new level with this motorized pool lounger. It glides effortlessly across the water thanks to dual motors and a 360-degree rotation system, so you can move in any direction without paddling. The ergonomic design hugs your body while 2 storage compartments hold drinks, sunscreen, or your phone. A rechargeable battery keeps you cruising for up to an hour, and safety grills protect the propellers. Perfect for relaxing solo or showing off at summer pool parties. Hot sand, long hikes, or a weekend by the lake, this cooler is built to keep up. Its heavy-duty insulation keeps ice frozen for days, so your drinks stay chilled no matter how far you wander. A special dry storage drawer separates food from melting ice, keeping snacks crisp and fresh. Rugged wheels roll smoothly over any terrain, from beaches to campgrounds. Big enough for a crowd, yet easy to move wherever you go. Learning to ride a unicycle usually sounds impossible, but this one makes it easy. The clever dual-tire design balances sideways for you, so beginners can pick it up in just a few minutes. A smart self-balancing system keeps you steady front to back, cutting the chances of tipping. Bigger wheels handle bumps and curbs with ease, while inflatable tubes soften the ride. Float away in comfort anywhere you like. This hammock swing chair comes with a thick, overstuffed cotton cushion that makes sitting feel like clouds. The strong steel frame keeps it safe and sturdy, while soft cotton netting is gentle on your skin. Lightweight and portable, you can move it from bedroom to porch or balcony in seconds. Easy to assemble with minimal parts. It's perfect for relaxing anytime, anywhere. Why drag your luggage when you can ride it? This portable suitcase doubles as a scooter, letting you glide smoothly through airports or stations without breaking a sweat. At just 6.8 kilograms, it's lightweight yet strong enough to handle daily travel. The smart handlebar controls acceleration, braking, and even reversing with ease. With built-in lights and app control, your trip just got a whole lot more fun. Bring the pizzeria straight to your backyard. This portable pizza oven runs on wood, charcoal, or gas, giving you that authentic flame-cooked taste every time. It heats up fast, reaching the blazing temps needed to bake a pizza in just 60 seconds. The built-in thermometer keeps cooking under control, while the pizza stone delivers that perfect crisp crust. Compact, versatile, and fun. It's a game changer for outdoor cooking. Summer fun just got bigger. This inflatable family pool lets kids splash, swim, and play safely right in your backyard. Wide double ring walls keep it stable, and a repair patch is included for extra peace of mind. quick fill valves make setup a breeze, so you're in the water in minutes. Durable vinyl holds plenty of water and provides hours of fun for kids aged 6 and up. Forget heavy chairs. This inflatable lounger is all about instant comfort anywhere you go. No pump needed, just swoop it through the air and you've got a cozy seat or hammock in seconds. The built-in pillow supports your head and neck, so you can really relax. It stays inflated for hours and is completely waterproof, making it perfect for the beach, backyard, or festivals. Why sit on the ground when you can relax in comfort anywhere? This ultralight camping chair weighs just over 2 pounds, yet sets up in seconds with a snap-together frame. The breathable fabric keeps you cool, while reinforced stitching gives it lasting strength. Special anti-sink feet stop it from sliding into sand or soft ground. It packs down small enough for your backpack, making it the perfect travel companion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.